Hi, my name's Corinne Brad and this is the Craft Channel, and today I'd like to show you the way that I have stopped my daughter spending hundreds of pounds on cotton wool pads. I've made some reusable makeup remover pads which have got a super absorbent cotton wadding inside of them, but they can just be popped in the washing machine, and they've got 4 sides to them. So instead of that one handful of cotton wool pads that she uses to take off all her slap, she can use these. And she has actually used these, and she said that they actually leave her skin much, much nicer. And because she wears contact lenses, she also doesn't get little fibres of cotton wool in her eyes anymore when she's taken her mascara off. So it's a win-win as far as I'm concerned. Now, I'll have a couple of templates that you can pick up from the description below. And I've cut the super absorbent wadding from this one, which is slightly smaller than the fabric one. You'll see why in a sec. Take a piece of cotton print fabric, and you can use whatever you like, but if you're going to use white, bear in mind that makeup will stain, and even when it's washed and it's clean, it will still be stained. So you might want to avoid pristine white cotton pads. Draw around your template, mark where the centre of it is and fold it in half and finger press it. And then take 2 smaller pieces of fabric. These are about 7 by 10. And on one of these, you just want to finger press a 5mm hem. And then lay that along your centre fold line, like so. And we'll just pin that in place. Take your other piece of fabric and line up one raw edge with the folded raw edge. So it's forming what you call an envelope back. And again, I'm just going to pin these in place. And I'm pinning these in the middle because I need to stitch on the other side, because that's where I've marked my sewing lines. So just check that that's okay at the back and run it around your sewing machine. And if you've never sewn curves before, they're really not difficult. You just need to use your fabric as a pivot, like so. Just need to take that pin out because that's going to get in the way. And sew right to the end. So take your pins out the back and then just cut around close to your sewing line. I'd say give it about a 3mm seam allowance, because when you turn this inside out, you don't want it to be too bulky on the seam. There you go. And in effect, what you've got at the back here is like an envelope back, so you can just flip the right way round through the gap at the back. Take your wadding and pop it in just as if you were popping a pillow in a pillowcase, really. Manipulate it up to the edges and then straighten this. And that piece of, the smaller piece of fabric that you finger pressed the hem on in the first place, that hem is now on the outside, and you can quite easily just lay it down and top stitch it. And then also just run around the edge . you go. Fold it into two, so as I say, you can then use it like this and then swap it over and use the other side. So get your sewing machines out, get all your scrap fabric out, because this is a great stash buster. Really, you need a piece that's 13 by 10 and a couple of other pieces that are 7 or 8 by 10. That's all you need, and some wadding. And you can make up a stack, tie them together in a nice ribbon and present them with a bottle of micellar cleansing water, or you know, some other makeup remover. Give them as gift for a teenager would be perfect. So I hope that's helped you. I hope that's helped you save a fortune now in cotton wool pads, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.